two Washingtonians driving in California. Well, I'm not driving, so technically, but a Washingtonian driving in California. You're adapting good, though.
Just go for it.
Yeah. I'm getting heart attacks, but that's fine. Good morning, guys! So we are on our way to VidCon. Right now we're stopped to get some air in the tires so we can get there safely. I'm gonna make a video on the way there because I got Holo Taco yesterday. I am so freaking excited. Cristine from Simplynailogical announced that she was coming out with Holo Taco. I'll show you what that is in a minute. And that was on Saturday when we were on our road trip, headed to Reno. And I told Ty that I'm going to buy this, like probably when we get home, because I just didn't want to use our money for the honeymoon for this quite yet. And then I like how the black is even hollow. And it's sold out in like an hour or something. I don't know, something crazy. So that's so cool, and I'm so happy for Cristine. That's so exciting. I was a little disappointed, but I was like, you know what, I'll get it on the next round. And we were at Disneyland. I think it was after Disneyland. I was looking at Cristine's Snapchats, Instagram stories, what have you, and she had Holo Taco there. So I got so excited that they're sold out, and I was able to get my hands on one. I also got a cool jacket that is at the house right now because it's California and I don't need a jacket. So I'm gonna be painting my nails with Holo Taco. All right, the packaging is so cool. It's so shiny. It's all hollow. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna try and stay out of the sun so you can just see all that hollow in its glory. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Here is the beautiful linear taco. So much more hollow flakes per square inch, you could say. Look at that scattered hollow. Oh, the sun just makes it pop so pretty. And then we have scattered hollow, which would be broken up a little bit more on the nail. And then a big thing to her is to have a one coat black. So this is supposedly one coat, it's full coverage, so we will definitely test that out. And I believe that's what she wants with her royalty blue. All right, let's start painting. Okay, so I think that I'm going to do, well, I'm gonna do almost all of them. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So one coat black, let's see how it does. Oh wow. Not too shabby. It's a little bit, but I also didn't put it on very thick. This makes it more of a challenge, but in a good way, a more exciting way. I need more excitement in my life because I wasn't able to go on those Disneyland rides. That is actually really nice black. Like it's almost one coat. Then again, I'm pretty sure if I wasn't in a car, my coats would be more even. One coat would be sufficient. All right, one hand done. Well, almost. Let's get some blue on there. So the blue is not gonna be a one coat, but that's okay. We got time. 34 minutes. This makes the car really shiny inside. She should come out with a whole bunch of different colors, which is probably eventually going to be her plan. But she should make them all one coat. I wonder how expensive that would be. spot yesterday. There was only, because they mixed around the workshops, like I said before, the only one I wanted to go to I missed, because getting my hands on this Holo Taco because it was sold out was so much more important to me. Alright, let's try the scattered. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. I'll do the black with scattered and then the blue with linear. Oh, hell yes, girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is... I'm having an eyegasm here, guys. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty it is. It is gorgeous. Oh yeah. That is so pretty. It's my favorite. So there you have it. I love my nails. I'm gonna go paint the other hand now. I'm not the best nail painter, especially in the car. But you know what? It looks damn good, and I'm proud of it. Link for Holo Taco in the description. So I painted this hand with my less dominant hand. And it looks so much like a little kid did it. But the beauty of Holo is that it makes it so much prettier. So before and after. Wow. What do you think? Again, it's still not the best because it was in a car with my least dominant hand, but it's still better. Thanks, Holo Taco. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!